Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
At the time of the final devastation of the complete universe, the end of the duration of Brahma's life, a flame of fire emanates from the mouth of Ananta, from the bottom of the universe. The yogi sees all the planets of the universe burning to ashes, and thus he leaves for Satyalok by airplanes used by the great purified souls. The duration of life in Satyalok is calculated to be 15,480,000,000,000 years. It is indicated herein that the residents of Mahalok, where the purified living entities or demigods possess a duration of life calculated to be 4,300,000,000 solar years, have airships by which they reach Satyalok, the topmost planet of the universe. In other words, the Srimad Bhagwatam gives us many clues about other planets far, far away from us, which modern planes and spacecraft cannot reach, even by imaginary speeds. The statements of Srimad Bhagwatam are accepted by great Acharyas like Sridhar Swami, Ramanujacharya and Vallabhacharya. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu specifically accepts Srimad Bhagwatam as the spotless Vedic authority, and as such no sane man can ignore the statements of Srimad Bhagwatam when it is spoken by the self-realized soul Srila Shukdev Goswami, who follows in the footsteps of his great father, Srila Vyasdev, the compiler of all Vedic literatures. In the creation of the Lord, there are many wonderful things we can see with our own eyes every day and night, but we are unable to reach them equipped by modern materialistic science. We should not, therefore, depend on the fragmentary authority of materialistic science for knowing things beyond the range of scientific purview. For a common man, both modern science and Vedic wisdom are simply to be accepted because none of the statements either of modern science or of Vedic literature can be verified by him. The alternative for a common man is to believe either of them or both of them. The Vedic way of understanding, however, is more authentic because it has been accepted by the Acharyas, who are not only faithful and learned men, but are also liberated souls without any of the flaws of conditioned souls. The modern scientists, however, are conditioned souls liable to so many errors and mistakes. Therefore, the safe side is to accept the authentic version of Vedic literatures, like Srimad Bhagwatam, which is accepted unanimously by the great Acharyas.